Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be trying to burp with a soda, or a pop, or a soda pop, or a soft drink, or whatever you call it. It's a Coca-Cola. Yeah, I've probably tried, like, burping, but I've never, like, recorded it. I think I never really had success with it, because I don't really burp that much after I eat or drink something, but I'm guessing soda's going to be different, because, it's carbonated and everything. But yeah, let's see if I can do a good burp with the soda. Oh. Oh, wait, that's actually so good. Oh, I was not expecting it to be that good. That's a pretty good burp, though. Okay. Yeah, I think they're more separated because there's a lot of liquid in between it, so it's like one burp and then some soda or whatever, and then another. I don't really know how it works, but I'm guessing that's it, because that's why I couldn't just do one long one. Alright, well, that was surprisingly successful. I wasn't expecting it to be that good, but yeah, I think it's pretty nice. If you don't really know how to burp, that might be an easy way for you to start. I don't really know what I'm talking about, though. I just like burping because it was funny.